If you're looking to supercharge your keyword research and blog optimization, you're in the right place. So stick around because we're going to explore how Chatspot can be a game changer for your marketing strategy. Before we jump into the details, let me give you a quick rundown of what Chatspot is all about. Chatspot is brought to you by the marketing giants at Hubspot, which is a comprehensive tool designed to assist marketers in honing their keyword research as well as blog optimization. You can think of it as your marketing ally or your marketing assistant at your fingertips. So what can you do with Chatspot? The process of keyword research can be time consuming. Of course, you can find a selection of platforms and solutions such as SEMrush, themoz.com, and any other solutions to help you find the right keywords for your paid ad campaigns. But did you know that there's a helpful hack to help you choose a PPC keyword to run your Google ad campaigns? Chatspot is an AI chatbot to which you can send prompts and predefined templates to request information, generate content, and perform actions. Chatspot is currently in beta format and is free to use. So once you have signed up for Chatspot, it will lead you up to a portal or landing page where you'll find different selections and options to help you with your marketing and with your sales efforts. So for this example, we're gonna leverage on the marketing and company insights selection. Chatspot allows you to find companies that bids on the same keywords and also to find the keywords that the companies are paying for. So when I click on this selection over here, I can enter my company name. For this example, I'm going to choose Canva. Over here, I will find the list of competitors for Canva. So let's say I choose Figma.com, copy Figma.com. Go back to templates, click on company insights, and we search for the keyword ranking for Figma.com. Click on enter. So right now you find the keywords that Figma.com is bidding on. You can see the search volumes as well as the cost per click and the traffic type. And of course, I can also leverage on the same keywords for my PPC campaign. You can also use the same keywords that you have not optimized yet. So let's say you want to expand that keyword for your PPC campaign. You can select any of keywords here, create logo free, copy it, go to templates, click on the marketing tab, find related keywords, and enter create logo free. Let Chatspot do its magic, and voila, you will find the various related keywords that you can leverage on. You can copy the whole list of keywords here and paste on the Google Sheet. So let's say you want to use a keyword for your next article or blog. You can choose any of this keyword here, AI logo generator. Okay, now we're going to go to the marketing tab, generate a blog, type in my keyword. I'm going to describe on what I want my audience to do. So this is sort of like a call to action. Maybe we can say we can educate audience on creating logo using Canva AI. Now, as you can see here, Chatspot has generated a full article, which includes a title. And this is very useful if you want to, create a article or for you to implement content marketing strategies for your platforms. So there are other things that you can do as well. For example, you can go to the Images tab and try to find an accompanying image for your article. You can choose this digital art style image. Type in the title that we have produced earlier on, and it will generate a list of images that we can use with our article. There you have it, folks. Chatspot is your go-to solution for mastering keyword research and taking your blogging strategy to the next level. If you're ready to elevate your marketing game, check out the link in the description to learn more about Chatspot. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe for more informative videos like this. Share these videos with your friends, colleagues, and subscribe for more insights into the latest marketing tools and strategies. So till then, I'll see you again.